Mobile applications are gaining popularity day by day as technological advances have increased the growth of smartphone users. Let me share with you some statistics. By the end of this year, the number of mobile phone users will reach 3.2 billion. On average, a person spends 90% of his time using mobile devices. Finally, the total number of mobile app downloads is expected to reach 161 billion by 2023. Undoubtedly, technology comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Along with making our lives easier, these applications have also become a major target for cyber criminals. The extensive data available on these apps, such as personal information, passwords, bank details, are jackpot for cyber hackers. Before discussing how to protect mobile phones against cyber attacks, let me share the type of cybersecurity threats. App Store security. Android devices are more prone to cyber attacks as they comprise various devices, OS requirements, and App Store checks. Cell phone malware. Mobile devices are inclined to malware, spyware, trojans, and viruses. Unauthorized access. All your digital accounts, including your bank account, applications, emails, are always at risk of illegal access. One device for all purposes. Using one single device for saving confidential information is always vulnerable to the risk of cyber threats. Cross-device cyber threat. It occurs when app lets smartphone users download the application from the computer first and later on a smartphone device. With the rapid increase in the use of mobile phones to shop online and perform internet banking transactions, it is worthwhile remembering 8 things you can do to protect your mobile apps for cybercrime. Beware of software you install. Today, applications require access to your mobile phone camera and photos before installation. It is safer to avoid installing as your device will be vulnerable to external tampering and sensitive data theft unless the permissions given match the purpose of the downloaded application. Don't open suspicious URLs. Don't click links that you are at all suspicious of. If you are suspicious of a link, however, over it to ensure where it is directing you is safe. Avoid using free Wi-Fi networks. Whenever we get out and do not have a data connection, we tend to take advantage of public Wi-Fi. But doing so, you might put your apps in threat. Fake Wi-Fi networks can ask you to provide personal information such as email addresses and passwords. Don't make sensitive transitions using public Wi-Fi networks. Don't perform financial or other sensitive transitions via public Wi-Fi networks. Some configured mobile applications can allow cyber attackers to tap on the same Wi-Fi network to steal sensitive personal data accessed via your mobile device. Use an anti-malware solution. Having anti-malware software in place can prevent and safeguard sensitive information from exposure to cyber criminals. Mobile phones offer a range of benefits, but it is important to remember that these are susceptible to cyber attacks. Following the best practices and taking proper precautions will help keep your personal information and data safe from cyber criminals. Otherwise, it might lose your confidential data, resulting in heavy losses. Are you looking to build enterprise-grade, scalable and full-fledged web applications? Then you have landed in the right place. Our proficient Node.js developers at Forcebolt possess exceptional skills and experience to meet specific business requirements for your project.